In most web browsers, there's a little-known feature called Do Not Track that, when enabled, will ask websites you visit to not track or collect your online browsing data. While there are some websites that may not honor this request, it's still best to have it enabled for a bit more privacy. The first desktop browser I'll be showing you how to enable Do Not Track is Google Chrome. If you want to skip ahead, there are timestamps for Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, the Brave browser, and Vivaldi. In Chrome, to enable Do Not Track, in the upper right corner, click on the three dots and select Settings. Now go to the sidebar on the left and select Privacy and Security. On the right, select Third-Party Cookies. In Advanced, turn on Send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic. You'll get this prompt window with a lengthy description of Do Not Track. Click on Confirm to enable it in Google Chrome. Moving on to Microsoft Edge, to enable Do Not Track, go to the top right and click on the three dots, then select Settings. In the left pane, select Privacy, Search, and Services. Here on the right, scroll down to the section for Privacy, where it says Send Do Not Track Requests. Click on the toggle to turn it on. In the open prompt window, select Send Request. Now for the only browser in this video not based on Google's Chromium, we'll turn on Do Not Track for Mozilla's Firefox. Click on the hamburger menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Go to the sidebar on the left and select Privacy and Security. Scroll down here on the right. In Website Privacy Preferences, click the box to enable Send Websites a Do Not Track request. While you're here, I'd also recommend enabling Tell Websites Not to Sell or Share My Data. We'll now turn on Do Not Track for the privacy-focused web browser Brave. The steps are similar to Chrome and Edge shown earlier. Click the hamburger menu located in the upper right corner and select Settings. Go to the sidebar on the left and select Privacy and Security. Here on the right, turn on Send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic. In the prompt window, click on Confirm. If you're using the productivity browser Vivaldi, the steps are somewhat different to enable Do Not Track. For this one, in the upper left corner, click on the Vivaldi logo. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left pane, select Privacy and Security. Here at the very top of this window, in the section Tracking Prevention, click the box next to Ask Websites Not to Track Me, and that will enable it. I'd recommend checking the three boxes below it as well. After you have enabled Do Not Track, WhatIsMyBrowser.com is a cool website to check if Do Not Track is currently enabled for your browser. This page will give you tons of information. If you scroll down to the bottom of their homepage, it lets you know if your browser has Do Not Track enabled, which means that this site did receive a Do Not Track request from the browser. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. How do you feel about websites that follow you online as you go from site to site to collect your data? Let us know in the comments. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on our latest tutorials and other tech-related stuff.